This is Chinmay Pense. So today I am going to help you with the topic which is hemodialysis. I study in class 10 Tech with the roll number 13. So let's begin our topic. So firstly, I did like to go with the agenda. Firstly, we are gonna see the need of the hemodialysis, then the setup, then the function, and finally we will move towards the conclusion. So let's move towards the need of the hemodialysis. Due to many reasons, the human kidneys they stop their functioning. It may be the lifestyle changes or due to people drink less water nowadays due to the scarcity of water. Next, if the kidneys don't function, many wastage can get accumulate in the blood. This may be harmful for the body. We know that our kidneys filter the blood, which purifies the blood so that no nitrogenous wastage flow in the body, which can even lead to various problems. So for this we use an hemodialysis which filters the blood outside the body. Uh, Hemodialysis is a machine which acts like a kidneys. There is only one difference that it works outside the body. This is also used for many kidney patients and is also used during various operations. We know that the kidney patients whose kidneys do not work need hemodialysis for filtering their blood. They go 3 times a week for filtering their blood in the hospitals. And then also if various operations are there and if that time kidneys don't work, a person may need hemodialysis for filtering his blood. Okay, so let's move towards the setup. A shunt is made in the human body for accessing the blood. So you can see in my hand here, there are two types of blood capillaries, which one of them is veins and one of them is arteries. So both are made a shunt so that the blood can flow from it. Then various filters are present in which filters the blood. You can see that here. Uh, you can see here that the blood is going through these filters. So there are many filters like this, and then the various filters filter the blood. A pump is made. A pump is used for making the blood flow with the pressure. We know that for making the blood flow, there should be a pump which may make the blood flow. Here, it is. Then dialysing solution is present in the filters which uses the osmosis for the purpose. Then another line provides this filtered blood to the body. So let's move towards the function. Now these tubes contain various number of semi-permeable tubes which are suspended in a tank filled with the dialysing fluid. Dialysing fluid is a fluid uh, which has its osmotic pressure like the blood, but the the concentration of nitrogenous wastage is low there. Uh, Hence, the blood gets the the nitrogenous wastage in the blood gets into the lower concentration from the higher concentration. You can see in this figure. You can see that blood is passing through this tube while the dialysate solution is near to it. Since the dialysate solution contains less concentration of the nitrogenous wastage, the nitrogenous wastage go towards the dialysate. So when blood passes through these tubes, nitrogenous wastage like urea gets transferred into this dialytic solution. You can see from here they are going. This purified blood is then passed to body again. Of course, the blood is passed to be passed to the body again. If not, the person will die only. Then let's move towards the conclusion. We say that hemodialysis is an artificial boon for the human, but it doesn't function like the natural kidneys. We know that the hemodialysis filters the blood, but it doesn't does the work which the kidney does. It doesn't performs the function of reabsorption, which provides us extra energy. We know that in the kidneys, the tubular part of the kidneys filter this blood, uh, and afterwards the uh, the things like amino acids, water, which are essential for the body, are reabsorbed in the tubular part of the nephron. So we should take the care of the kidneys by drinking more water, quit smoking, alcohol, drugs, etc. And most important, that taking the doctor's visit. Then uh, these are the various protocols, you can say, that how we can prevent our kidneys from failure. So here I have written a thought that hemodialysis is a boon for the today's technology, but kidneys are the boon of God. Yes, indeed it is. So thank you for watching. We have now reached the end of the document. We will visit again.